Assalamu alaikum. I am Shafat Naz. Today I am going to present the paper Operation and Management of Campus Packet Network. These are contents: Introduction, Managing Network, Text System, Active Monitor, Database, Electronic Problem Logbook, Expert System, and Problem Handling. Our existing network is Kansas University Packet Switch Network. It is typical X.25 packet switch network and constructed using packet assembler, disassembler, and serial communication links. It is connection oriented. For example, if user places call to the selected resource and network transfer packet of user for the duration of connection. CUPSON is the most interactive and provide file transfer service to its user. It is connected to many institutions of country. Many researchers use this network to exchange information with their colleagues. It also facilitates the students to access information resources, especially the growing number of library online card catalog system. This figure shows the current topological configuration of CUPSON. These small circular objects represent packet switch and the rectangle shape represent the packet assembler and disassembler. PAD supports 16 connections, and now CUPSON supports 800 user connections, 32 dial-in lines, 300 PAD, and 5 direct X.25 links to host or other network. As all of you know that network infrastructure needs to be managed and operated in response like change network grow in terms of physical size and service provided. So, in order to support the size and performance level expected our customer, we need to manage our network. There are particular concerns of network management. The first one is operational status. What is current state of network health? Problem handling. What process is followed when a problem is detected? Network performance. How a response time or the network is saturated or not. Network configurations. How do you manage the configuration of all boxes? New connections. How do we ensure timely installation of new user connection? User connection. How do you keep track of hundreds of connections? So, CUPSON implement many systems to resolve these issues. The first system is text system. Text system is designed to analyze the traffic of X.25 links. It also generates the traffic profile for a typical user accessing a particular host resource. It enables us to predict network loading impact of adding additional user to the system. And it also monitors 396 bits per second full duplex X.25 links simultaneously. The next system is Active Monitor. It is designed to monitor network status and activity reporting. The Active Monitor displays operational state of network that it monitors through status screen. It watches all the pads, switches, and interconnected links. Status screen. Status screen is located in operational area that continuously display information. If any unusual event detected by Active Monitor, it displays on status screen. There are two categories of these events. Warning. Simply provide the information, and a problem is reported when serious condition such as loss of pad or link or host of other network is detected. So, when this occurs, the AM send bell character to operation console and require human keyboard input. The most interesting thing is that within 5 minutes of pulling item, the AM usually reports problem before any user call. The figure shows the caption loading over the last pulling period and peak values observed in any period since midnight. Several sections of information are displayed. Network-wide total of user, frames, x.25 frames, user data characters that is transmitted is displayed on top, and the peak values of last midnight. Our next system is database. We store all the information of a network in the database, such as name, contact number, building cables, circuits, network ports, configurations, serial number, and request for new connections. So, in order to access information efficiently when problem reported, it quickly generates accurate information regarding end-to-end connection. Our next system is electronic problem logbook. Electronic problem logbook record and monitor network problem. It is another database design that record and monitor specific network problem reports. It also provides user-friendly screens and field-oriented form for the user. It automatically filled many fields such as possible based on limited input from user. The EPL will also accept alarm from our automated monitor system, fill out the problem report, and inform the appropriate staff member so that it is easy for one staff member to analyze EPL report and then pass problem on to someone for further investigation. Our next system is expert system. As system grow, it will be difficult to either train operation staff in problem handling or hire new people. So, expert system will be implemented. After making entry in the EPL, an operator can consult with this system to rectify the problem. If unsuccessful, the problem will be forwarded to human technical staff member. Expert system analyze all problems and recommend solutions. There is no need to train or hire operation staff. Problem handling. What was the problem in existing system? Problem was that there were not any well-defined procedure for dealing with problems. For example, user who called the computer center did not know who to contact or were bounced between groups and staff until an individual eventually decided to take responsibility. So, advent of Active Monitor created a new source of problem reporting. So we have developed many systems and tools to aid in problem handling procedure. As this system becomes more powerful, we hope to reduce the number of humans involved in activity. The next logical step in the evolution of problem handling would be to eliminate the operational staff as problem reported directly to EPL. Whether the problem report was from a human or automated source, the expert system could then be consulted for recovery. If expert system could not resolve problem, it could dispatch a human operator. Conclusion. This system, Active Monitor, EPL and Expert system, gives an edge in continuing to keep up with our expanding network without the need of significant increase in personnel, and good network performance as problem detect and resolve automatically. That's all my presentation. Thank you.